Yung Court of Appeals, pinalaya yung 81 years old na inaresto December last year, victim ng mistaken identity.
Victim ng
Mistaken identity, sir.
mistaken identity?
Yeah, yung 81 years old na allegedly member ng NDF.
I'm not sure about the particulars. Anyway, ganito. Titingnan muna namin ang i-review ko ano. Pero kung Court of Appeals yan, ibig sabihin na convict yan sa lower court, no? That's the beauty of the law, no? Dumaan sa trial yan. And most probably, I'll speculate, may decision ang regional trial court, most probably, kaya inelevate sa Court of Appeals. At nakita nga ng Court of Appeals na may diferensya. So, that's the beauty of the law. Unfortunately, may napagkamalian. But, that person can invoke now yung compensation. Mayroon tayong batas na nag-compensate sa mga taong wrongfully convicted. Meron tayo niyan, may batas tayo niyan. They can invoke that and ask for compensation sa kanilang sinapit.